Have you had a ton of experience with selling podcast sponsorships? And if so, one, what has been your experience in the landscape right now? And two, is it any different overseas in Europe versus what maybe we're used to here in the US?
So the clients that we've been working with B2B Pod Pros have been both European and the US market, primarily SaaS companies that are mid-size or enterprise level. And the thing that concerns them the most, right? The top thing is how do you measure and track the podcast campaign performance? Okay, so we go into detail about measurement and tracking. And then the second thing well, what's the reach? And that's where the media kit comes in, because the media kit automatically provides the show's numbers, like the number of downloads, number of listeners. So those are like the two big concerns that every advertiser that we've worked with, those are the main questions that they have.
What is your plan for, or do you have a plan for incorporating real stats into this? Because right now, like I said, it looks beautiful. It's showing off our show. It's showing some video. It's showing a highlighted episode. It looks nice. It looks clean. It's showing numbers from our social media. But I mean, truthfully, when I approach a sponsor, the first thing they're going to say is, well, what are your downloads? And is there any sort of implementation you're planning on, some sort of API with hosting companies, or something that you're planning to do so that that information is front and center, but also accurate and reliable? Because people could say 1 million downloads. It's like,
Yeah.
is that true?
Yeah. Well, Matthew, I'm glad you asked that, because that's one of the reasons why I love this thing, because I've actually approached podcasts on behalf of advertisers asking for a media kit, and they send me this bogus number. And I'm like, well, listen, I really need to see the screenshot of your download numbers. And they're kind of reluctant to send that information because they're inflating the size of their audience. With Podkit, and you can do this right now. If you sign up, you can directly link your Spotify creator account with Podkit, and it's going to pull in direct your numbers from Spotify directly into the media kit. Apple Podcasts will be rolling out this week. And so the same thing, it will have a direct API with Apple Podcasts. And so when a person is looking at your Podkit, it's looking at real-time numbers that are coming in from both Apple and Spotify, as well as YouTube and some of the other social channels.